Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So let's start with Bitcoin on the weekly. We are on the daily actually, but we should be on the weekly. So to of course compare between yesterday and today, what happened, if you remember. Yesterday, we saw in this weekly analysis the trend that we wanted to see here, of course. And as you can see perfectly now, we have hit the midline of the correction channel of the wave 4, as you can see, and also the midline of this channel here, where we have seen a small rejection, which is looking good so far. We are still in a good position for the base channel here regarding the impulse, right, where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and looking for a wave 5. So in this wave 4, of course, we have bottomed at the 0.5 fib level perfectly for a wave 4, and then we are looking for 1, 2, possibly another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 to finish this wave 5 of that big impulse. So moving to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we have also something to show. Maybe where is our 100K? Here we go. So yeah, exactly. So on the daily chart, as you can see, guys, this is our wave 4 here, right? This is our wave 4, and possibly we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? So if we look now at this part here, if we are in a double 1, 2, 1, 2, if you remember, yesterday I told you if we break the first targets, which we're gonna see later on the 1 hour chart, therefore the remaining bullish scenario is a double 1, 2, right? These are the fibs of a double 1, 2. And another remaining part is, of course, the 0.618 and 0.78 of this big 1, 2, right? It's the same as we hit here, the 0.786. Your 0.786 might be hit as well here and moving towards the upside. By all means, if we hit now, if we get a lower low for a wave C here, where we can have an A, a B, and a C, perfect, regular, or zigzag, where we can see, of course, a finish 0.786, same as for here for this wave 2. Therefore, we're gonna get a perfect double 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Now, however, this is as well considered a 1, 2, right? Because as well, in this part where you want to hit, of course, the 0.618 for a wave 2, you are already very close to the 0.5 fib level of this 1, 2, right? Of this 1, 2. Therefore, this is a very, very strong support, where you have a support of double 1, 2, or you have a big support of 1, 2 here in a confluence at the same zone, right? This is what I mean. So by all means, guys, what we are looking for, of course, whether we have finished, I mean, I doubt it. We're gonna get into it, by the way. Whether, of course, which high probability still to get a one more low, closing at a 0.78 and then moving up. So let's move in this zone to see what we have. So yesterday, this scenario where we are bullish, right? And we said we might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is invalidated. Finally, we have removed something, right? So we cannot say now anymore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not considered as diagonal, because I mean we have hit now the 886 of it. Okay, it's not yet invalidated. However, we have hit the 886. By all means, when you hit the 886 and you pass through these fib levels, Therefore, you want, of course, to get this low, right? And if you get this low, of course, then you want to hit the 0.786 here, which is the 0.786 of this 1-2 here, where we gonna have a double 1-2. Okay, so this is the idea. Now, of course, because we have passed through this, and now we have evidence, right, that we might go down because we have hit the 886 and we're gonna get this low again, and we need anyway this 0.786. And by the way, we need one more leg towards the downside to finish a wave C. So by all means, if you are A and a B and a C, your wave C should be 5 waves towards the downside, right? Now, of course, this looks a little bit like a diagonal. However, it is invalidated, while the wave 5 is very, very longer than the wave 3, which is not allowed in Elliott Wave. And if we look at the volume here is the highest, where we have our wave 3. By all means, if you have here a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, all right, you are looking, of course, for a 4, 5, 4, 5, right, to finish this impulse. Okay, and it is very possible that we can hit, of course, the 0.786 with these double 4, 5, 4, 5, right? And yeah, so basically we need some low. We need some low, more low. Of course, now, because we have hit the 886, guys, we're gonna go retrace a little bit to the golden pocket, we call it, right? To the 0.6, possibly, and then it's gonna move back again, right? So, yeah, it's not an invalidation as well if you hit the 0.618. So if we take here golden pocket, here we go, all right? This is your golden pocket. Normally, yeah, it's not really necessary even to hit a back exactly here. However, when you touch the 886, normally it tends to retrace between the 0.66 and 0.618, right? And then move back down. Okay, so that could very, very be possible, where we're gonna hit a 4, 5, and then again 4, 5, and finishing this wave C. Now it might need, of course, sometimes, guys, it needs maybe 1 day, 2 days, 3 days to finish this, of course, and then we move up again towards the upside. Of course, we need our famous signal as 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and of course a signal towards the upside. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here as well, if you look at the 15-minute chart, you will tell me, okay, but we see now 5 waves up, which it's true. Actually, I cannot deny this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, you still need, of course, 3 waves down, and then to move up, of course. Which I said, yeah, it might just to hit the golden pocket as well, okay, because we have hit this 886, we might take, of course, the low again. And don't forget that we have passed the 1-to-1 fib level, taken from here to here, which it was exactly in confluence with the 0.618. So now this 1-to-1 can be removed. Well, it is possible that it is still playing the role, but yeah, I mean, touching the 886 is not really something to prevent, right? So that's it for Bitcoin. I hope that you like it, guys. I hope that this was clear enough. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye bye.